Steelers Sunday. Welcome to Pittsburgh. "44 degrees here, and we're in the Strip District. Salem's Marketing Girl, the best gyro in Pittsburgh. Book it. The new bike lane really causing an uproar. Gotta say, I'm not a big fan of them myself. We got about a 3-mile walk to the stadium. Behind me is Arts Tavern, tremendous bar. D'Anoia, say no more. Never sleep on David. Can't go wrong with Stimoli's. They got grape leaves in there. They got a little bit of Italian, a little Lebanese, everything you need. Belanote. How about some love for Roland? How are you?
Fine, how are you?
Good. Pepe's legendary as well.
I guess we could go home and be
Yeah, we're good.
A little film production going on here. Maybe it's CBS. Getting some table shots here. This is the production behind the production. Look, they're rolling the table out for the shot. Look at that. Behind the scenes. Can never go wrong with Pet Mac, y'all. And of course the original Permanis.
Cookie table.
Awesome. Right here. Thank you so much. Officially out of the Strip, heading downtown. One year from now, probably won't even recognize this. Woo. We did it, folks. We're downtown. Officially under 2 miles. There's the Colts team bus. There's the Colts owner right there. We made it. The tallest building in Pittsburgh. Has a little bit of a New York feel. Here we are, Midtown Manhattan, St. Patrick's Cathedral. PNC's corporate headquarters. Oh, gyro hit right now.
Terrible town.
Time to enter the war zone. Made it to the stadium. I got a little conundrum though. I gotta pee. Might have to use the piss bush at the tailgate or the casino. We'll see what we can do. Made out of the gauntlet, north side of the stadium. That will happen on game day. Look at this building. They're probably getting ready to torch this thing. Made the final call. We're gonna use the piss bush from 29th Street in the Strip District to the West End Bridge. Rivers Casino. 3.5-mile journey is in the book, almost. Utilizing the bush, folks. I feel like a new man. Bought a ticket last second. There she is, folks. That was a stupid 1-18, no chance. Oh, we hit. Nice. One-click hand to roulette. Responsible gambling. That's a prime example. Cool, thanks.
Extra point is good.
All right, folks, here we go. About a 3-mile, 1-hour walk to the car. Steelers up 27-10. Left with about 6 minutes left. I don't like leaving until the clock hits 0, but I want to crank this walk out. Maybe get something to eat. I trust that they'll get the job done. Well, it's not over yet, folks. It'll do. $27.20 the final, and it's only 4:30, folks, and we have roughly a mile. Alright, well, at least Roland's got a couple people in there. Otherwise, ghost town here in the Strip. Okay, Bella Notes. I was gonna say, is anyone even in there?
Yeah.
And then give him material or something.
Tell me they're open. When you're by David, you gotta stop by. I don't eat Asian food, but apparently this place is the place to go. Almost there, folks. Home stretch, home stretch. Half a mile. We did it, folks. The clock is just past 5 p.m. here in Pittsburgh, PA. If I had to guess, 11-mile walk today, but we hauled it. We gave you the whole show.